Hello, I am Assistant Professor Sanjay Mate, MCA Department, ISMR, Negri, Pune. In this video, we are going to see the installation of Python. So here we are only installing the Python, not we are installing the IDE, that is Jupyter, the Anaconda, or Spider, or PyCharm. Here we are simply install the Python. So from where we can get that Python, how we can install that I will show you. So first of all, we need to go to the http://www.python.org. Under that, on that website, we will get the downloads, and under the download, we can get the Python exe. So we need to first of all download that exe. I will show you that. Here on the screen, we are writing python.org. Once you open this website, here you are having downloads, and under the download you can have this Python 3.9.5. So this is the latest version which is given. If you want the other version, you can see that version under this particular downloads. So this is the 3.95. So if you want to download, so you can click on this. So it starts downloading. So once it is downloaded, then we can install that. So for that, so this is the screen which is I already shared with you. So after downloading, so you will get the downloaded exe under the download folder. So here I am downloading 3.9.5. Or you can get it the earlier version also from this list. So double click on that particular exe file which you have downloaded. Once you double click on that exe file, you will get this type of screen where you can write the install Python. This type of screen you will get, and the version of the Python which you have downloaded. From that, select the install now option and select it. Once you have selected, please don't forget to click this add Python path. Otherwise, you need to add the Python path explicitly in the variables, that is the system variables. Once you clicked on that, you will get the setup progress. So in this way, you will get all the Python installation done in one click. After installation, you will get how you can came to know whether it is installed properly or not, and what is the version of that. So on the C colon, you can write Python, 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 dash, dash, and the version without giving the space. So you will get the Python 3.9.5. So this is what the version I have installed on my computer. So this is very simple steps to download and install Python on your computer. Thank you. Thank you very much.